Hey guys, welcome back to the Financial Fox channel. I hope you're all having another great day. My name is Bob, and today we'll be discussing Workhorse and the USPS contract. Before we get started though, I have listed some of my favorite investing books in the description below and their links. Please feel free to check those out. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. It really helps out my channel and it gets my videos out to a much larger audience. Now, let's get into it. So, I know a lot of investors are now well aware of Workhorse and their stock. If for some reason you're not familiar with Workhorse and the stock, I have recently just posted a video about the company. If you're interested in seeing that, I have posted the link in the description below. As I mentioned before in that last video about Workhorse, they are working on a very large contract with USPS. Whoever ends up winning this contract, it'll be worth $6.3 billion, and they'll end up manufacturing over 200,000 electric delivery vehicles. Unfortunately for Workhorse, there are 3 other competitors still in this race for this contract. At the beginning, there was over 20 car manufacturers. One of those 4 that's still left standing besides Workhorse is Ford, which is probably the scariest competitor for Workhorse in my opinion. But Ford still has not came out with an all-electric vehicle, and they won't supposedly have one out till 2022. Besides Ford, the 2 other competitors for this contract are called Mahindra, which is based in India, and there's also another one called Carson, which is based in Turkey. They're both trying to manufacture a hybrid delivery vehicle instead of all electric. So the initial deadline for this USPS contract was supposed to be back in March, but the illness delayed it. Now, the contract was supposed to be submitted by July 14th. So obviously, I feel like Ford is the biggest threat to Workhorse for this USPS contract. But on the other hand, I also feel like Ford is a little late to the all-electric car game. I mean, their Ford all-electric car is supposed to be coming out in 2022, and the deadline already passed for this contract. There's a lot of people saying that not only one company will end up winning this very large contract. USPS could end up picking multiple different companies for this contract. In my eyes, though, I feel like if Workhorse were to win any kind of portion of this contract, it would be huge. So here's a little fun fact for you. I don't know if a lot of investors know this, but Workhorse is not only working on the USPS postal delivery vehicles, they're also working on the Australian and the United Kingdom postal delivery vehicles as well. The USPS postmasters will end up picking a winner of this contract 90 days from the deadline. So we can expect an answer by the end of October. I'm going to predict though, they'll be announcing a winner of this contract probably sometime in end of August or early September, and I will be doing a video when they announce it. Stay tuned. I really do think Workhorse has a great opportunity of winning this contract. I mean, they are the only American manufacturer in this contract bid besides Ford. Mike Pence was just at Lordstown Motors debuting their new Endurance truck. Also, they already have had runs with USPS in tests of the delivery vehicles as well. Whatever happens with this contract, it will affect Workhorse stock either positively or negatively. Some professional analysts are saying that this is either a do or die situation for Workhorse stock. It'll either go boom or bust. In my opinion, if Workhorse wins over half of this contract, the stock price will flirt around $100 a share. And if they end up winning just a quarter of this contract, I think Workhorse will go a lot higher than current levels of around $15 a share. Now the bad news. I feel like if they don't win any percentage at all of this contract, I think that the stock will plummet. And I know they do have a lot of positive things going for them right now, but if they don't end up winning this contract, I can see the stock going down around the $5 range. At the end of the day, I do think that Workhorse will get a chunk of this contract. I mean, I'm not sure exactly how much of the contract they'll win, but I don't think they'll end up walking out empty-handed. As a result, I believe this stock will surge and go up a lot higher than their current levels. But remember though, I am not a financial broker. Leave me a comment and let me know if you guys are either watching or buying Workhorse stock. I hope I have enlightened you all about Workhorse and this USPS contract. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.